In this guide, I'll show you how to clean your iPhone properly. So the four main areas are the speaker at the top, as well as the camera lens on the back, and at the very bottom, the charging port and the microphone holes. So Apple does recommend you turn your phone off. You can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to leave mine on. And with a plastic toothpick or something that's able to fit into the charging port, you want to try and remove any dirt, dust, or debris buildup. Same thing goes with the microphone holes. Just be careful not to press too hard or you could damage the hole. Now, at the top as well with the speaker, you can do the exact same thing, trying to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and grab yourself a toothbrush. Then what you want to do is try and get those bristles in as well to try and remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Now I'm holding my phone up for the camera, but feel free to hold it down to try and use gravity to make stuff fall out. Now with Duster Blaster, you want to go ahead and spray into these holes in an attempt to remove anything that may not have fallen out. So once you've sprayed the bottom with the charging port and the microphone holes, you can also do the speaker at the top. Now to clean the camera, grab a soft microfiber cloth and you can clean in a circular motion. Now if there's any smudges, you could use some mild glass cleaner and then just finish cleaning off the rest of your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.